In this video, you'll learn how to optimize your Notion workspace to effectively prepare for the internship application season. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a structured system in place to manage your applications efficiently. Start by navigating to the Notion website. Ensure you are logged into your account to access all features. A reliable internet connection is necessary to avoid interruptions while loading pages and templates. Next, locate the templates section on the sidebar. This section contains various templates that can help streamline your internship application process. If you have a slower connection, be aware that loading times may vary. After accessing the templates, use the search bar to type in internship application. This action will help you find relevant templates specifically designed for managing internship applications. The number of results may depend on your internet speed. Once the search results appear, browse through the available templates. Choose one that best fits your needs. Selecting a template that aligns with your application strategy can save you time in the long run. Click on the chosen template to view its details. After this step, you can evaluate its layout and features. If you decide it suits your needs, proceed to the next action. Now click on the Add button to incorporate the selected template into your workspace. This process may take a moment, so be patient as Notion prepares your new page. After adding the template, look for the highlight option. This feature allows you to emphasize key areas within your template, making it easier to keep track of important deadlines and tasks. Next, click on See Template to review the added structure. This view will provide you with a comprehensive outline of what your internship application tracker will look like. Once you are satisfied with the template, navigate to the All Applications section. This area will serve as your main dashboard for tracking all internship applications you plan to submit. After that, check the Deadlines calendar. This feature is crucial for managing application deadlines effectively. Make sure to input any upcoming due dates to avoid missing critical submissions. Now, click on the Companies gallery. This section will help you organize the companies to which you are applying. You can categorize and prioritize them based on your preferences. Next, proceed to the Application Status board. This board will allow you to monitor the progress of each application, making it easier to follow up when necessary. With these steps completed, you have now successfully optimized your Notion workspace for the internship application season. This organized approach will help you stay focused and efficient as you navigate your applications. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.